You do not need a job to make $500 this week. You need one specific AI skill, one free tool, and one small business owner who is currently stressed out and losing money. If you have those three things, you have a business. I am going to show you exactly how to find all three in the next 10 minutes. Most people are looking for work in all the wrong places. They are polishing resumes that nobody reads. They are applying to LinkedIn jobs with 2,000 other applicants, and they are waiting for permission to get paid. But while they are waiting, a massive gap has opened up in the economy. Every local business in your town, from the plumber to the dentist to the high-end real estate agent, knows they need AI. They see it on the news every single night, and they are terrified of being left behind. But here is the truth. They have no idea how to set it up. They are looking for someone to just make the problem go away. And if you do exactly what I teach today, that person is going to be you. I have built and sold multiple software companies, and I have seen how technology shifts create new millionaires overnight. I am telling you that what is happening right now with AI automation is the biggest opportunity for the average person that I have seen in 20 years. In this video, I am going to give you the exact 6-step process to go from having no job and no income to making $500 a week using a simple AI trick. We are going to cover the exact tool to use, how to learn it in 48 hours for free, and how to get your first client to say yes before you even show them a demo. This is not about being a genius or a coder. It is about being a builder. It is about understanding that the world has changed and the old rules of employment no longer apply. If you can follow a system and execute with speed, you can change your financial life starting right now. Let's start with step number 1, which is rethinking what a job actually is. The old model of a job is trading your time for a paycheck. You show up for 40 hours, you do what you are told, and you hope the check clears at the end of the month. The problem with that model in 2026 is that it is slow, it is crowded, and it is risky. The new model is trading an outcome for a fee. Small business owners do not care how many hours you work. They do not care if you have a fancy degree or a decade of experience. They care about outcomes. If a local bakery is losing 10 customers a day because they do not answer their Instagram messages fast enough, that is a massive hole in their pocket. If you can plug that hole using a simple AI tool that takes you an hour to set up, that is worth $500 to them. Your job in this new world is not to be an employee, it is to be a solution provider. You are the person who builds the bridge between the scary world of AI and the real-world problems of a business owner. Stop thinking like a worker and start thinking like a systems designer. Elon Musk talks about building the machine that runs the machine. That is what we are doing here. You are building a digital machine that works for a business owner while they sleep. Once you understand this shift, everything else becomes easy, because you are no longer competing for a job. You are creating a high-leverage service. Step number 2 is finding the specific pain worth solving. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to offer everything to everyone. They tell a business owner they can do AI marketing, AI SEO, and AI operations all at once. When you offer everything, you offer nothing. You need to pick one painful problem that every small business has right now. That problem is the lead gap. Think about your own life. When you go to a local business website or a social media page at 9 o'clock at night and you ask a question, nobody answers. You leave and you go to a competitor who answers faster. That is a lost sale for the business owner. That is the pain. We are going to solve that one specific problem using a simple AI lead capture assistant. But don't get intimidated by the word chatbot. We're not talking about some complex robotic system that requires a PhD to build. We're talking about a simple, helpful assistant that answers basic questions like, "What are your hours?" or "Do you have this in stock?" and then captures the customer's phone number. That is a must-have for a business, not a nice-to-have. It's a painkiller, not a vitamin. We want to find the problems people are already throwing money at. If a business is spending $2,000 a month on Google ads, but losing half the leads because they don't answer the phone, they are already in pain. You are just the person who stops the bleeding and secures their return on investment. Step number 3 is mastering the free tool. You do not need to be a coder. You do not need to know a single line of Python. There are tools out there like Voiceflow, Tidio, or Custom GPT that allow you to build these assistants using a simple drag-and-drop interface. It's like building with digital Legos. You spend your Saturday watching 3 or 4 free tutorials on YouTube. You learn how to connect a text box to an AI response. You learn how to make the bot ask for an email address and send it to a spreadsheet. By Sunday night, you will have a skill that 99% of business owners do not have. You are now an AI specialist in their eyes. The secret here is that the tool does the heavy lifting, but the business owner pays you for the configuration and the implementation. It's just like hiring a plumber. You could buy the pipes yourself at the hardware store, but you pay the plumber because he knows which pipes go where, and he ensures the water actually flows without leaking. You are providing the outcome, not the tech. Do not get caught up in the features or the fancy names. Focus on the result. If the bot collects a name and a phone number, it has done its job. Your focus should be on simplicity and speed. Step number 4 is the advice-first outreach strategy. This is where most people fail because they try to sell. If you walk into a business or send a cold DM trying to sell a $500 chatbot, they will ignore you or hang up. People hate being sold to, but they love giving advice. This is a psychological trigger I have used my entire career to open doors that were slammed shut. You are going to reach out to 10 local businesses in a specific niche, let's say roofing or dentistry, and you are going to say something very specific. You say, "Hi, I'm a local AI researcher, and I'm building a tool specifically for your industry. I am not looking to sell anything right now, but I would love to get your expert advice on whether this actually solves a real problem for you. Do you have 5 minutes for a quick call?" When you ask for advice, people drop their guard instantly. They will tell you exactly what their problems are. They will tell you that they are overwhelmed with messages, or that their front desk staff is too busy to handle web leads. They are literally giving you the answers to the test. They are telling you exactly what to charge them for. Once they finish telling you their pain, you move to the transition. You say, "Based on what you just told me, I think the prototype I am working on is a perfect fit to solve that exact issue. I would love to set it up for you for free for 3 days, just to see if it actually works in the real world. If it does, we can talk about a small fee. If not, I will just take it down and no hard feelings." This is how you get your first yes, because you are removing all the risk from their side. Step number 5 is delivering the result and getting paid. Once they give you the green light to do a trial, you go back to that tool you learned on Saturday. You spend 1 hour setting up a basic bot that answers their top 5 most frequent questions. You put it on their site. Within 48 hours, they are going to see leads coming in while they sleep. They're going to see customers getting instant answers without the staff lifting a finger. The value is now undeniable. This is when you present the actual offer. And just like we discussed, you follow a very strict 5-part structure. The problem is they are losing leads. The promise is the AI will capture every single lead 24 hours a day. The timeline is it is already running. The price is a $500 one-time setup fee. And the guarantee is, if it does not save them at least 5 hours of work this month, you will refund the fee. When the value is $5,000 in new business and the cost is $500, saying no is a bad business decision. One client per week at $500 is $2,000 a month. That is more than many full-time entry-level jobs, and it takes you maybe 5 hours of actual work once you get the hang of it. You are not selling a bot. You are selling a solution to their biggest headache. You are selling them their time back. Step number 6 is scaling with systems, not headcount. Once you have 3 or 4 clients, you're going to be tempted to hire a friend to help you because you feel busy. Do not do that. This is a one-person AI business. You want to keep your overhead at 0 and your profit at 100%. You use AI agents to handle your own business. You use AI to write your outreach messages. You use AI to generate the logic for your chatbots. You use AI to handle your invoicing. The goal is to build a machine that runs itself. I have a friend named Matt who started doing this 6 months ago. He had just been laid off from a retail job and was feeling the pressure of being behind on rent. He spent one weekend learning how to build simple AI lead capture bots for roofing contractors. Within 3 weeks, he had his first $500 check. Within 2 months, he was making $4,000 a month. He doesn't have an office. He doesn't have employees. He has a laptop and a system. He is making more money now than he ever did at his real job, and he has more freedom than he ever thought possible. The difference between him and the people still struggling is that he took the leap to learn one specific skill and applied it to a real-world pain. The reality is that the gap between the people who use AI and the people who are replaced by AI is widening every single day. You do not want to be on the wrong side of that gap. You do not need to be a technical genius to do this. You just need the guts to stop acting like an employee and start acting like a builder. You need to realize that the tools are free, the information is free, and the clients are everywhere. The only thing standing between you and that $500 check is the execution. I know this can feel like a lot to take in because the world is moving so fast. But that speed is your greatest advantage if you are the one moving with it. While everyone else is complaining about the economy or waiting for a better job market, you're going to be the one providing the solutions that the economy actually needs right now. If you can follow these 6 steps, you are not just making $500. You are building the foundation for a life where you never have to ask for a job again. You are becoming the owner of your own time and your own income. So here is my challenge to you. Do not just watch this video and go to the next one. Pick one tool, find one local business, ask for advice. The worst thing they can say is no. But the best thing that can happen is you start your journey toward a massive solo business. It starts with that first $500. It starts with that first conversation. And it starts today. I have even provided a deep dive on how to structure your actual chatbot logic so you do not get stuck when you start. The details matter, but the action matters more. If you want to see exactly how I would script the outreach for these businesses, I have put together a guide that shows you the word-for-word messages that get responses. You can find it linked below. You do not need a boss. You do not need a degree. And you do not need a job. You just need a system and the courage to do things differently. Now, if you want to learn how to turn this one skill into a full-scale AI agency that runs on autopilot while you travel the world, click right here, and I will show you exactly how to scale to the next level. I will see you in the next video. Let us go build something great and change the way you think about work forever. This is your moment to step up and lead in the AI revolution.